Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Melody Hill, local and long distance movers near me. If your new home is over a distance of 50 miles, you're making a long distance move. A move over a long distance without the aid of a professional moving company will be fraught with complications. Incompetent movers may delay the delivery of your stuff, and when they do arrive, they may be damaged, which may impact how easy it is to adjust to life in your new place. Having 3 movers handle your long distance relocation means you don't have to worry about any complications. We also ensure that your possessions arrive on schedule at your new location. Also, our movers have several years of experience, and our moving vehicles can transfer large items across great distances. Our insurance coverage covers risk associated with the relocation. Additionally, our local moving services also offer very swift and quite efficient services. We're also the best option if you need to relocate urgently or need movers who can finish the relocation procedure within a short period, since we all know the city's fastest and safest routes. Thanks to our low overhead, our local movers in Melody Hill are all the most economical you can find. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Melody Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.